Boom. It's all YouTube. Medic is back here. Got the haircut. As you can see, we got a tire, and in the trunk, I got a busted tire on a wheel, on a rim. So we're gonna go put this tire on. I'm gonna come back, put it on, and get paid. And I'll just do a little update video on what's going on with the Murdicus channel. So, as you can see, the Prius is still working. It's a bit rough. I need struts, brakes, and other stuff. But, you know, times are hard. Times aren't really that hard. I'm very grateful. But, yeah, this car definitely needs some work. I still got the E46, but they put a bunch of salt on the ground, so I don't want to drive it. Just because the undercarriage and the body is like pretty rust free. It was a Florida car, so we're just gonna go and basically thug it out till it's warmer. There's no salt. I'm waiting on my shop. My friend did a water pump and broke one of the lines or something, so the car's like stuck there. So I just gotta kind of have to wait. Oh, we're not gonna go. But yeah, we gotta wait for that to be done, and then I'll be using the shop again. But look at that fire truck, crazy. But yeah, guys, we're gonna go get this done, and I'll keep you guys updated. So let's get it. Awesome. Oh, no. Alright, YouTube. Super cold outside. We're doing the tire. We'll get this off. Stuff still works somehow. It's gotta be like some type of chemical. But I put it on the plugs, helps it stick. But man, it's like 15 degrees Fahrenheit right now. See the nails right here. There we go. Can I get it out? It's being that annoying. There we go. Oh, oops. But yeah, it's right here. Let me add some air to the tire. We almost got it. Well, guys, that was pretty much it. Like I said, I was not joking. It's 18 degrees outside, and we're still hustling, doing some roadside, making some money. I hope you enjoyed this video. Check out my other content on my YouTube channel. Marcus out. Peace.
I'm just tryna know if you wanna be with me.